From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
All right, clouds are getting on out of here tonight, and that's going to mean cold temperatures as we head to the early morning hours, getting down to the mid to upper 20s for most of us to start our Thursday morning with mostly clear skies and then sunshine, not warming us up a whole lot, only into the 40s. Here's the Futurecast breakdown. Clear skies out there. Now, I think we would drop a few degrees cooler than what we're going to overnight if we didn't have this persistent northerly wind helping mix up the lower atmosphere just a little bit. But we're going to be plenty cold enough into the mid to upper 20s by daybreak here to start our Thursday morning with mostly clear skies. Still a northerly wind through the day, so despite that sunshine across the area, only making it in to the mid to upper 40s briefly in the afternoon before falling back into the 30s as early as sunset and into the 20s once again, mid to upper 20s overnight for our Thursday night into Friday morning for morning lows as well, before clouds move back in during the day on Friday. Maybe a rain shower by the afternoon. Better chances of rain come in as we head Friday evening overnight into Saturday morning. No wintry weather in our local area associated with that. We're too warm for that. Near 50 for daytime highs on Friday, only falling back to the upper 30s and lower 40s Friday night into Saturday morning. Maybe a lingering shower as we head into Saturday afternoon or evening, and can't completely rule out a shower Sunday, but I think most of us are dry as we're in between bigger weather systems here. We'll have another one coming early next week. Mid to upper 40s through Friday, a little milder over the weekend, lower 50s. And then ahead of the second system, we get more of a persistent southerly flow that allows daytime highs Monday, Tuesday into the mid, if not upper 50s before more cooler air coming toward the middle of next week. So here's a breakdown of the rain totals for the next 7 days. This is the forecast from the National Weather Service, calling a 2 to 3 inch rainfall total for the next 7 days between the Friday night system and the Monday night system. There could be some isolated heavier totals, but not too much more than this. It looks like it's a beneficial enough rain without being too much rain and causing a big flooding threat. So that's right around where we need that. And then we continue to do that through the winter time, hopefully reducing the drought conditions across the area with time the next few months. The second system coming early next week. Now, I want to point out, I don't expect any severe storms, any tornado threat for the Tennessee Valley. All that's going to be well off to the south. Our red line here is a warm front. You need to be south of that line to be in the unstable area, and that's way off to the south. So any severe storm or tornado threat Monday night, Tuesday is likely to stay well down to the south over the Gulf coastal areas. However, up in our area here across the Tennessee Valley, plenty of locally heavy rainfall, embedded thunder, and because the pressure gradient with the strong low pressure system here, we're likely to see pressure gradient wind gusts as high as 40 miles per hour or greater. And because of the heavy rain coupled with that, there could be some isolated trees coming down, causing some isolated power outages. So we'll be watching for that. Still a few days out, forecasts can adjust a little bit, but for right now, rain, thunder, and gusty winds are the main threat for our local area Monday night into Tuesday morning. We'll be watching carefully. Overnight tonight, we're quiet, mostly clear skies out there into the overnight, continues to drop out of the 30s into the 20s, and I think by daybreak, most all of us are into the mid to upper 20s for our morning lows. And then for your Thursday, getting up into the mid to upper 40s by the afternoon with mostly sunny skies. Clouds increasing Friday, though, and by the afternoon, I think rain showers start. Better chances of rain Friday evening, overnight into Saturday morning. Maybe a lingering shower into the afternoon and evening Saturday. Can't completely rule out a shower Sunday, but we've dropped the rain chance down to 10% Sunday. I think most of us are dry. After that, the next big system comes Monday night into Tuesday morning with locally heavy rainfall, embedded thunder. Gusty winds are likely, but severe storm threat well off to the south of the area. Behind that system, middle of next week, turning cooler again with highs by Wednesday back into the low to mid 40s. There's your latest 7-day forecast. Ben Luna's back in the morning starting at 4 a.m. with your wake up weather forecast.